Let me in, yeah.
Seriously? Look at her butt. Yeah. Oh, she looks like a slut.
Yeah. I'm like, what the what? Yeah.
Right? L. Oh, you got to see this.
Oh my gross, I can't believe it. L.
She's so basically basic.
L. She's literally making me suck. L.
This is embarrassing.
L. Like seriously. L.
No, seriously.
L. I can't.
L. Look at this. OMFNG. What the F? You're gonna freaking flip. Like, seriously, freaking flip. Cause Sally's mad at Iggy because Iggy's booty's more biggie and Sally's booty's twiggy. So she called her friend Sibby. Now Sally's gonna get impleggies.
What's impleggies?
Implants, silly.
L.
I'm freaking for real. I think silicone butts are L.
Where'd she get that outfit?
That girl is totally ratchet.
No, seriously, who likes that?
Right? L.
Look at the way she takes pics.
And what's up with those duck lips?
She's so lame.
Super lame. L. This is embarrassing.
Like seriously.
No, seriously. Oh my gosh. L. I am not hating. I am merely conversating with my BFF, Sarah. So bust your rhyme, Sarah.
It's me, I am, and you know who. Now here's some things I think are FaceTime and reclining in airplane seats and then binding, retweeting tweets. I'm not lying, cause even rhyming's annoying. Bread bowls and ravioli, casserole, roly-poly, caterpillar. I'm a really old and moldy windowsill. Trapper keepers on a creeper wearing sneakers with the tails and maybe frozen cause you know when I don't wanna build stamina. L.
Seriously? Yeah.
Hello, my name is Sarah. That's Sarah with no H. Too bad if you don't like it, cause haters gonna hate my stepdad Gary. He tries to act so cool. Every time we see him, my friends and I say L.
Yeah. Hey, funky bunch. What do you got?